This song is entitled Campfires. Campfires are a blast. I remember some good times, having a blast around them, just talking our heads off. I remember some good times when we were at friends' houses. We'd always eat s'mores and hot dogs. If we didn't have s'mores, we'd eat watermelon, kinda like a picnic. Campfires, campfires, always a good time. Always gotta have hot dogs and s'mores. Campfires, campfires, always a good time. Always gonna have a blast, always having fun. We get to talk with our friends, even if they're long gone. I love to have conversations with my best friends. If I have moved, or if they ever will, we'll always have those memories in our heads. Oh, campfires, campfires, always a good time. I'll never ever forget those times that I had with them. They are my best friends, and they always will. I don't care if I've ever moved, or if they ever will. Campfires, 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 they always bring us together. We'll always remember good times, eating our s'mores and roasting our hot dogs. Always a good time, always have fun. Campfires, campfires, campfires. Campfires are fun, campfires are great. They're a great way to have conversations with our best friends. Campfires, campfires, campfires. They're always a good time, they're always a good blast. Always, always, always campfires. We get to eat s'mores, roast hot dogs, chat with our best friends. Maybe around a campfire or on picnic table. We always have fun by chatting our heads off. Campfires, campfires, campfires.